Some women do not struggle resting because they are lazy. They struggle resting because the nervous system still feel emotionally unsafe. So even during quiet moments, their mind is still alert. Even they are sitting silently at one place, still their mind is completely active, alert mode. Their body stays tense, their thoughts keep racing, and over the time, rest itself can begin feeling uncomfortable for them. If you constantly feel restless while trying to relax, this healing conversation is for you. Welcome to Heal and Rise with Anita. Today, we are talking about why rest feels emotionally unsafe for many women after a long period of emotional stress, anxiety, burnout, and very important survival mode. Many emotionally exhausted women say, I want rest, I want break, but I can't fully relax. And often that experience is deeply connected to the nervous system. For many women, survival mode becomes emotionally familiar. The body gets used to stress, numbness, responsibilities, overthinking, and emotional pressures. This is a very common for every woman carrying every day. So when life finally becomes quiet, the nervous system sometimes struggle to trust the calmness. They'll feel, no, this can't happen with me. I'm this silent. No, this is not me. No, this is not supposed to be. Instead of relaxing, the body stays emotionally watchful, and many women silently blame themselves for this. But emotionally hyperactive is often survival response, not a personal failure. Suppose a woman who spends years emotionally carrying everything alone, she becomes strong, responsible, emotionally alert, always prepared for stress, and slowly being busy, being feeling safer than resting. Whenever she get the time to relax, her mind becomes louder. Her body say tense. She suddenly remember responsibilities, worrying, emotional pressure. If she quietly sit on a place, okay, and then she'll get reminded, oh, I just left this out to be done, oh, this is to be done, oh, this is to be finished on a time. So instead of resting, she always be in a very productive constantly mood, not because she love exhaustion, because her nervous system had learned that survival meant to be staying alert. And many emotionally exhausted women silently live this way every day. Every single house will have this woman. The nervous system is designed to protect the body during the stress. But when emotional stress continue for a long period of time, the body can remain stuck in hypertensions. Many of them look like difficulty relaxing, overthinking, body tensions, emotional restlessness, anxiety during quiet moment. Whenever you get quiet, you'll get anxiety. Guilt around resting. This all is very common for the women who need healing. Sometimes the body is not resisting healing, sometimes it simply still believes it must still be prepared emotionally. And healing begins slowly when women stop fighting themselves and begin creating emotional safety for this gentle healing. Sometimes rest feels emotionally unsafe because slowing down always hidden emotions on the surface. When you go for the rest, the hidden emotions come up on the surface and again you are in an alert mode. And many women unconsciously avoid rest because they fear feeling those emotions fully. Many of women are in a fearful conditions that if these emotions come on a surface, then we will be not able to handle ourselves. So, the nervous system heals through. Remember, nervous system heals through safety, gentleness, softness, calmness, and emotional support. Take a deep breath and just remember yourself that you are not alone. You deserve rest too. If rest feels emotionally difficult so lately, please remember this: you are not lazy, you are not failing. It's just simple thing. Your nervous system may simply be still learning safety again. And slowly, through emotional healing, gentleness, and nervous system support, the body can begin trusting the peace again. So if this video resonated you, please subscribe Heal and Rise with Anita for gentle emotional healing and conversation on healing. Also, nervous system support for women. If you feel comfortable, comment me below. Does rest sometimes feel emotionally uncomfortable for you too? If it is so, don't worry, you are not alone. You are into the healing community and we will heal together. In our next healing video, we will gently remind ourselves why emotionally exhausted bodies deserve rest without guilt. So, have a good day and be connected. Thank you so much.